Hey you guys, me and Ricky here. Today we are heading into Hollywood Studios because today is the premiere day of the Little Mermaid musical adventure and Villains Unfairly Ever After. So we're pretty excited. So what we plan is to see both shows today, check out any merchandise that came out, and today is pin release Tuesday. Hopefully some pins were released that we can pick up, and maybe some unboxings for you today. We'll see, but we're gonna have a really great day. So come and join us and let's head into Disney's Hollywood Studios. So a bunch of pins came out today. Lady and the Tramp. Here's some of the pins. We have a mystery box. Pocahontas. And a Winnie the Pooh and Tigger graduation pin. I don't know how good the audio is going to be because I did forget my mic. But if there's a lot of people around, it may not be that great, but we'll get by today. Anyway, I picked up 2 pins and I'll show them to you at the end of the video. The other thing that I was going to say is we are going to check out and see what merchandise is available. Ricky and I will be going to see the Little Mermaid in about an hour. We're going to head into Once Upon a Time. Here's a Villains Show t-shirt. And there is also a Villains tumbler. So we found a Villains Spirit jersey, but they only have small through 1X. No 2X. I'm gonna go ask and see. Maybe they have some in the back. Here's the front of the jersey. It's like a really, really dark midnight tone. It is gorgeous. I just love this. And I am looking for a 2X for a friend. So we'll see if we can find it for her. The cast member was so sweet. She found a 2X for us. And we picked up the Spirit jersey. Okay, so this is the area of Villains Ever After. Let me talk to the cast member and see what's going on. There's no DAS, Disability Access Service, for Villains Ever After, at least for today. So what we're gonna do is, because we have time for the Little Mermaid, we have her for about 1:30. We're gonna do that first and then come back here and then watch Villains Ever After if we can get in. We're gonna try today, okay? We're at Hollywood Scoops, Ricky's favorite place to get ice cream. We're gonna see if they have anything new here. These are the 2 ice cream treats they have here. And one is Hades ice cream float and the other one is a Maleficent cone. And Ricky just picked his. He's gonna try the Hades today for us. There's one more dessert. It's an annual pass holder exclusive. It's the Cruella ice cream sundae for $8.79. Ricky is truly enjoying his Hades slushie. It's nice and refreshing because today is very hot. I think Hades had something to do with the opening day of Unfairly Ever After because today is so hot. The neck fans are doing nothing. And actually there's a tiny bit of a breeze in the air, which is a hot breeze. You know what? I'm complaining about the heat, but it's only gonna get worse. We all know that. By July and August, we're gonna wish it was this hot in July and August because it's gonna be a little bit hotter. Hades is gonna kick it up a notch. So we're here at the theater. We're gonna go see The Little Mermaid, a musical adventure now, and we will let you know at the end of this video what we thought of this musical adventure. So excited. See, I have my Ariel ears on and my princess t-shirt.
Ariel! You're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Go on and kiss the girl. In order for me to hear you.
I love you, Daddy.
Now we're going to head into Unfairly Ever After here. So the building is Villains Ever After Sunset Showcase. This is where the theater is.
You know how it goes. Magic mirror on the wall. Your turn.
Who's the fairest of them all?
Well done. But define fair. Beautiful? Once upon a time it was. But these days, villains are preoccupied with who's been treated the most unfairly of all. And dressed to kill?
So try the life of a king. Just sample the life of a crook. Then listen to one from Japan, working for Captain Cook, the world's most famous cook.
Is it my curse that brought Sleeping Beauty the kiss of true love? I suppose you could say that the happily ever after of Princess Aurora was my doing. Does anyone ever think of it like that? Tragically misunderstood!
Hello! She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the cat!
Insignificant and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's barking that cat?
Two at a time.
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, I'm with you first.
Listen, you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that
Silence!
And mine alone!
No!
So you guys, I'm going to let you know what we think of both shows. The Villains one is awesome. It's different. It's a lot of fun. The Little Mermaid one is accurate to the movie. I didn't tell you to shut up. I have to say they're both great. They're both a lot different, but they're both great. And we recommend both movies, both shows, and the movies too. Ricky, thumbs up or down for the shows? Ricky said thumbs up. He loved it. He actually really loved the Villains one, which I was surprised, but he did. We picked up these 2 pins today. We purchased them. These were released today. 70th anniversary of Lady and the Tramp. I love this one. It's Tony's Restaurant. Lady and the Tramp was my mom's favorite movie. And this one is Pocahontas with her sidekick. And he moves. I can't move it because I'm using one. Oh, there you go. It's really cool. And I'm glad I picked this pin up. It's 30 years for Pocahontas. We did some quick pin trading here with some guests. We got the Forky popcorn, the Aurora candle, which I already have, but the one I really wanted was the 25 years with Pete on it. I think Pete doesn't get enough love, so I really wanted that pin, and I got it. So we traded another pin out for this interesting Stitch pin. It's a ticket and it says admit 1, 1971, so you know, opening day. So that is such a cool one. I've never seen this one before. Okay friends, this was an awesome day, right Ricky? It was a very hot day. Hades took care of that, but it was a very fun day. And we love both shows and we highly recommend them. And right Ricky, we highly recommend them. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching real soon. Bye everybody, bye-bye.